No boiling, no frying, no mess. Just one pan and a ridiculously creamy, cheesy gnocchi dinner you're gonna want every single week. This is my go-to comfort food when I'm tired, hungry, and not in the mood to wash dishes. Let's make this creamy baked gnocchi with chicken and spinach using only pantry staples and all in under 10 minutes of prep. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. Here's what you'll need. One 16-ounce pack of gnocchi will be the main starch. There's no need to pre-boil it, which saves time. It's slightly chewy. It adds heartiness to the dish. 2 cups of shredded chicken. Rotisserie chicken is perfect for this dish. Chicken provides protein and makes it a complete meal. The shredded texture blends well into the creamy sauce. And if you use rotisserie, it saves time and it adds an extra depth of seasoning. 2 cups of fresh spinach. Spinach adds color, freshness, and nutrients to balance the richness of this dish. It wilts into the dish without needing to pre-cook it, and it helps cut through the heaviness of all the cream and the cheese. 1.5 cups of heavy cream. It forms the base of the creamy sauce on this dish. It thickens naturally in the oven, especially when it's combined with Parmesan. 1/2 cup of chicken broth. It thins out the cream just enough for that even coating when baking. It adds a savory depth that water can't provide, and it keeps the gnocchi from becoming too dry as it bakes. 1/2 cup of Parmesan. It adds a savory flavor to the dish as well as saltiness, and it thickens the sauce as it bakes. 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese creates that gooey, melty, golden, cheesy layer on top. It's a little bit milder than the Parmesan, which balances the saltiness, and it gives you that cheese pull moment that we all love. Garlic and onion powder add depth without overpowering. The salt enhances the flavors, and the pepper adds a slight bite. And lastly, well, who doesn't love a good parsley garnish? Now here's how simple this dish is. You're going to add all of your ingredients into a bowl, and then you're going to mix everything together until it's all coated and well blended. Now pour everything into a greased 9x13 baking dish or a cast iron skillet. Make sure everything is spread out evenly. And then top it with a generous layer of shredded mozzarella. This is going to melt into that golden bubbly crust that makes this irresistible. Cover it with foil. and we're going to bake at 375 for 25 minutes. Once the 25 minutes baking time is up, we're going to open the oven, uncover, and we're going to bake for an additional 10 minutes. And after those 10 minutes, you can also broil the top of this dish for about 1 to 2 minutes just to give it a nice golden brown color. Once it's done, we're going to remove it from the oven and we're going to garnish with a little bit of parsley. If you're looking for a go-to dinner that's comforting, quick, and cleanup friendly, this creamy gnocchi bake is just right for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love easy dinner ideas and subscribe for more no-fuss meals. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy cooking.